Today, we're putting the VMENG 1200 to the test. It's rated for 1,200 pounds, but we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna see what it can actually lift, and then we're gonna see what it can pull. But before we do the lift test, I do have an update for you. After my last trenching video, I had a hydraulic leak, and I had a lot of you asking me where it was. So it was right here, right where it connects at. Now I have 44 hours on it, and I haven't had a single leak since. Most of the hours came from doing work like this. This is a 36 by 60 lot I built. So I had to remove a lot of dirt, and it took around 25 tons of rock to finish out this RV lot. And I'll tell you, this thing is a digging machine. And I used my bucket from my 580T Pro, and it doesn't even have any teeth on it. Huge difference with these Proclane drive motors. Now, I know a lot of you are wondering, is there really that big of a difference between Proclane drive motors and the Impro FluidTech motors that I have in my 580T Pro? They both got the same Kubota D1703 diesel engine, but totally different drive system. So we might have to put them head to head today. All right, so today we're using cinder blocks for this test. I got 80 of them here, and each one of them weighs about 33 pounds. So that's 2,640 pounds total. I don't think it'll come close to lifting that, or will it? Since the 1200 is rated at 1,200 pounds, that's where we're gonna start. I have 28 cinder blocks on here, and with the pallet and my forks, we're sitting pretty much right at 1,200 pounds. I think it comes out to about 1,196. The pallet's about 50 pounds, and my fork weighs 220 pounds. So let's get after it. Yeah, that's pretty easy for this thing. £1,200 was pretty easy. Oh, I'll tell you, moving these bricks back and forth sure isn't fun. But I went ahead and evened this out. We put 45 cinder blocks on here, so we're sitting at around 1,755 pounds now. All right, let's give that a try. Wow. It didn't even flinch. Wow. That's pretty impressive. Let's add some more. All right, we jumped it up to 53 bricks now. And so we're sitting around 2,000, a little over 2,000 pounds, 2,019 pounds. Let's give this a try. She's a little bouncy. But overall, it's moving it pretty good. It lifts 2,000 pounds, not a problem. But the tilt cylinder is, I think that's pretty much it for it. So 2,000 pounds for the tilt, because it's not wanting to tilt back up. So let's put some more weight on there. All right, we added a few more bricks here. Now we're gonna start going in smaller increments here. So we added 3 more bricks. That brings us up to 2,118 pounds. So let's give it a whirl. Just going down slow because I don't have no tilt. So yeah, it picked it up, but you can definitely feel it. Moves it with no problem. It's a little bouncy. There, so you feel that? A little bouncy. Let's add another 100 pounds. All right, we added 60 blocks here. So we're looking at 2,250 pounds. Man, this is starting to get a little crazy. So, all right, let's see what it does. That's insane. 2,250 pounds. I can definitely feel it up in the air. So let's add some more. I don't know if I'll go max lift though on this next one. I don't know. Let's grab some more. All right, we added another 100 pounds. So we are at 2,350 roughly. So I don't know. Let's see. I'm actually blown away it's lifting this much weight. Woo! You can feel it. I am not going all the way up with this. I can tell you that right now. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, it wants to bounce already, see that? See it bouncing? I think we're going to call that the tipping weight there. That's pretty good. £2,350. Let's add some more. All right, we're getting into some crazy numbers here. I got 68 blocks on here now. So we're looking at 2,514 pounds. So I'm definitely not lifting this thing all the way up, but I'm going to see where I can get on the height. All right. Yeah, she's bouncy. I don't know, but that's pretty high. Feels like it wants to pull me forward, so we're gonna call it quits after this. $2,514 pounds. That was, oh, I don't know, 4.5 feet off the ground. probably could have went higher, but I didn't feel like dumping it. All right, we added 3 more bricks on here just to see if it'd get to 2,600 pounds. So it's like 2,613 pounds. So I want to see if I can even lift it. Yeah, she's real bouncy. £2,600. 2,600 pounds. I don't know, what was that? 3.5 feet? Let's put a little more on there. All right, we added 3 more bricks. 2,712 pounds, 74 bricks total. All right, I'm not going very high because 2,600 pounds, she was feeling it. Nope, not gonna happen. But still, 2,613 pounds, 14 pounds, whatever it was. Man, that's a lot of weight for a little machine like this. So, crazy. All right, so now we know what it can lift. Let's find out what it can pull. So we got the VMENG 1200 and we got the VMENG 580T Pro. Same Kubota D1703 diesel engine. This one's got Proclane drive motors. This one has Impro Flutek drive motors. Let's see if that actually makes a difference. That right there is the difference. Same engine, different animal.